Alright, y'all. I am here with the Hoover Preferred Kmart special. Um, so, yeah, we're gonna use it to clean up this bit of a mess I made with some pipe tobacco. Yeah, since my vaporizer is starting to really leak badly, I had to go and find an alternative. I'm stuffing Beretta cigarette tubes and all that and made a bit of a mess. Now, one thing before we get started, I got a request for the two 71Y7s. Well, I only have one 71Y7. And you said red and black. I need to have some clarification cuz these do have red logos and all that. But if you're talking about the purple one, which is about the same color as this preferred, that one is purple, then I can't do that one, unfortunately, because the base was destroyed when I got that, and it's currently sitting up in storage in pieces. So I apologize if that's the one you were talking about. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and clean up this mess, and we're using the Hoover Preferred Kmart edition. Sounds like we got a little bit of brush roll noise going on. I'll have to check that out and everything. But yeah, there it is. The Hoover Preferred Kmart special. Now, I know I probably said I was going to sell this one, but I don't know anymore because, well, this up here, this is just like my mom's old legacy. So I honestly don't know if I want to sell this or not. But if I ever do end up selling it, then I'm just going to sell it to a collector because I don't want it to end up out being sold to someone who's just going to absolutely annihilate it. You know who I'm talking about. However, I wouldn't mind selling this one to someone who doesn't care because I don't care. The brush roll started giving me a lot of bad smells, like, you know what I mean. It started smelling like it was burning, and take the brush roller out of it, and burning smell gone. So yeah. So anyway, there we go. There we have the Hoover Preferred Kmart special, cleaning up a bunch of loose tobacco and all that. I'm just gonna say cleaning up a mess, but yeah. Tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content. And until next time, bye, y'all.